Hi everyone, this is Arwynn with Pink Monarch. Today I am going to be showing you how to make these super cute one-page wonder, one-page, one-cut. It's kind of like one elongated cut little slide-in folders. They are so cute and so easy to make. This would be such a fun craft for, I don't know, just for fun. But it's super easy to make and they are so versatile. I think these would be such cute snail mail, happy mail, or like spruce up a gift card or something. To get started, you're going to need your piece of paper. You can use any size. I've experimented with 8 by 11. I've experimented with squares, just random pieces, and they all seem to work. So you're gonna fold it in half, both directions, in long ways, and then in um, I don't know, hamburger, hot dog, and hamburger. That's the way I learned how to do it. And then you're going to open that fold, and on the crease, you're going to want to make a half circle. This part is optional. You could cut it all the way across and then add your own tab after, which I think could be super cute also. Anyways, tangent. Once you draw your half circle, you're going to cut along the seam and then up around that circle and then back over the other seam, and then it's going to give you two perfect pieces. The reason why I would almost prefer myself, I think I would still do the half circle or cut it straight across and then use a circle hole punch on the side you want the opening of the pocket to be. And then on the other side, you could add like a cute tab or like a fussy cut or ephemera or something to pull it out. I just didn't love how I couldn't get my half circles cut perfectly. Anyways, totally personal, whatever your preference is. Here you're seeing me, what I'm doing. I am taking a little bit off of the slide in portion just so it slides in a little easier, just because since they're the same size, if you keep them the same size, they'll be super snug, which you might like that, but I like when it slides in and out super easy. Then you could tape, or I am gluing the edges of my pocket that the piece is going to slide into, and you're just going to need to glue the two sides because that's the only opening, just like you would like a little folder. So once you have that glued down, then that is pretty much it for like the make of this project. Everything else is just decoration, and I do show you how I used a few different sizes of paper. So this is just how it slides in and fits, super cute, and this is why I think it'd be such a cute snail mail, happy mail piece, because it'd be so easy to just slip in an envelope. This here is a scrap paper. It looks like a square from here. I'm not even totally sure. But same thing, just fold it in half, both long ways and short ways. And right here, it's actually so funny. I tried to be like conscious, so I folded it a little more than halfway, so one side was longer than the other, so I didn't have to cut the other side shorter to fit in better, if that makes sense. But then when I cut it out opposite. So I was supposed to cut the long side as the folder part, not the slide in part, and I cut it out as the slide in part. So here I am just rounding the corners, all four of them, and it didn't seem to mess with like the make of the folder at all, even though there technically would be a little tiny opening. I really didn't notice, and I think it looks super cute with the rounded corners and dusted edges. This is when I realized that I flipped them and I had to cut this one down. This is when you're going to glue it and cut them down to size just to make sure they fit nice and snug. Now back to our big one. I decided I wanted another little folder pocket on this one just because I think it needed some color and a little bit more going on, which is why I decided on like a larger ephemera piece. But then if I'm doing something that large, I might as well make it a pocket and give it some use. So I just made a cutie little pocket, and I love this green with the neutrals. So I just made that, and then I'll just glue it on the front of my piece. Is food ready?
No, I might help.
Okay.
Why?
Because I would come down to eat. For the inside of this little folder, I decided to add yet another pocket because a pocket on a pocket with a pocket inside of a pocket itself going into a bigger pocket wasn't enough. So many pockets, I love them. I just like that it keeps stuff a little bit more organized, and since I chose to do a style that was more of like a flip open folder, I wanted to have some of the ephemera pieces that I could put inside a little bit more secured. So as you see here, this is why you cut him down a little bit, because I even cut this one down, but it's still a little bit snug, so it's kind of hard to slide them in. And then just adding a few more little decor pieces. Right now, I've been loving adding ephemera in threes. So like if it looks a little off, I add a third or something like that. And I think it just makes like a very nice balance. And that is all of them done. This one here is one that I used for other social media platforms, and it is so cute. I made this one out of a square paper, and then this one here is the one I made out of just a random scrap piece of paper, decorated so cute, and just such a perfect little ephemera folder. Or you could fold up a card nice into it and send it off to someone. And this big one is the one that we made together in this video, and it is so cute and so pretty. I love this craft. It is so beautiful and so simple, and if you like this video, please give it a like, a comment, maybe a subscribe. I love reading all of the comments, and sometimes I respond, so leave me some feedback. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.